In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to merge multiple CSV files together using 4N6 CSV Merge tool. To install the 4N6 CSV Merge tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides the user with two options. You can choose either one of the available options. Choose Files option to select single or multiple files. Choose Folders option to select the entire folder at once. Click on Choose Folder option and select the folder containing CSV files. And click on Select Folder button. A panel showing the list of CSV files within the selected folder will appear on the left. Click on any file to view its contents. A panel will appear next to it, showing the list of all the headers in the selected CSV file. Users can choose individual columns or select all columns to merge. The contents of the CSV file can be previewed in the panel on the right. This tool also allows the user to search for specific data. Now, let's go through the merge process. Click on the Merge button and select the desired merge option. The tool offers two merge options. The first is Standard, and the second is Advanced. The Standard Merge option allows you to combine CSV files from the same platform. The Advanced Merge option supports merging CSV files from different platforms. Let's select Advanced Merge option for this tutorial. Location bar allows the user to view the destination path for the merged CSV files. Click on Browse button to select the location. Delete Old Folders button will delete all the old folders. Enable or disable it using the button next to it. Open Folder after export is done option will open the destination folder after export is done. Enable or disable it using the button next to it. Files header options will allows you to specify whether your new CSV file will include a header row or not. File New Name option allows the user to specify a new name for the merged file. Select Columns option allows users to choose which specific columns from the CSV files they want to merge. Users can select or deselect columns for merging using the checkboxes in the panel next to the Select Columns option. The Column Mapping option allows users to map CSV data to the correct columns. This tool automatically maps the selected columns. Users can also manually assign mappings to each column. The Rename Columns option allows users to rename and assign new names to each column. After configuring all the settings, click the Merge button to start the process. Shortly, a pop-up will appear on screen indicating that Trail version will only merge 10 rows, and to remove the limit, user will have to purchase license to the software. Click OK. Click on the Open Folder button to open the newly merged CSV file. Our tool can easily merge multiple CSV files while preserving data integrity and maintaining hierarchy. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.